Before we start, remember, everything you see in this video is not investment advice. You can lose all your money by investing. The film was made for entertainment purposes. If you're looking for coin price predictions for 2022, 2025, 2030 and want to know where the coin prices will go in the future, we will analyze the past coin prices and will find out what experts are saying about its future price actions. Please keep that in mind. You need to take this prediction and every other prediction with the intention that this is only the suggestion of some market expert. Not to mention predicting something so perfect is completely impossible. But we will try our best. Let's start. Wait. Help me promote cryptocurrency. It will be good for us and for others. Click like and subscribe. In just a few years, the cryptocurrency market has grown exponentially. So, if you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, or even if you're already invested, you'll want to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. In order to predict cryptocurrency performance in 2022, we must first understand the incentive behind it. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. The value of a cryptocurrency is not determined by physical assets but rather by supply and demand within the market. Cryptocurrency allows us to quickly and cheaply send money across the world without having to go through any bank or government institution. The financial transaction can take place between two people who live on opposite sides of the world as long as both individuals have access to an internet connection. This is an example of what coin analysis will look like. In future films we will analyze this coin. WU Network is a deep liquidity network connecting traders, exchanges, institutions, and DeFi platforms with democratized access to the best-in-class liquidity, trading execution, and yield generation strategies at lower or zero cost. When was WU founded? WU Network was founded in 2019 by Kronos Research, a multi-strategy trading firm that specializes in market making, arbitrage, CTA and high-frequency trading, averaging around 5 to 10 billion USD of daily trading volume on global cryptocurrency exchanges. Who is the founder of WU Network? WU Network's founder is Mark Pimentel. WU Network's current Chief Operating Officer is Ran Yi Chief. When did WU Network launch? WU launched on October 30, 2020, with 3 billion WU tokens created at Genesis. 10% of the tokens were sold in private and public sales, 20% are allocated to the team and 5% are for advisors. Can you buy WU in the US? To buy WU Network, you'll need to first purchase Ethereum and then use Ethereum to buy WU Network. And to do that, you need what's called a self-custody wallet. What exchanges sell WU? WU is available for trading on a growing number of CEXs and DEXs, including WUX, Binance, Kraken, Bithumb, Huobi Global, OKX, KuCoin, MEXC, Gate.io, and other. Can you stake WU coin? Input the amount of WU you want to stake or press max and click stake. Your wallet will prompt for your signature. Once you sign the transaction, your WU token will be deposited into the staking contract. Is there a minimum investment term or lockup period for the offerings of AscendEX Earn? Unlike some other staking service providers, AscendEX does not require minimum staking time, nor any predetermined lockup period for participation. WU DAO has launched its official incentive program. WU DAO has developed from a Discord conversation to a multi-million-dollar treasury controlled by a powerful force always trying to build relationships with other projects and enhance the expansion of the WU Network ecosystem since its launch on December 6, 2021. We are grateful to have so many passionate donors who are assisting WU DAO in fulfilling its objective. WU DAO wants to be the most forward-thinking and action-oriented community-led organization with the dual goals of encouraging ecosystem growth and sustainably managing the treasury, boosting long-term WU token value in the process. More than just another DAO, WU DAO voters have unanimously opted to implement several suggestions that promote strong relationships and bring value to the WU Network ecosystem through the governance process. The following are some of the highlights of the partnership. With ThetaNuts, I created the first WU option vault and assisted with product upgrades. WU is now one of Bancor's deepest pools, and will soon be one of the Bancor DAO's multi-sig signers. Using Olympus DAO's Pro service to construct a WU bond program to diversify the WU DAO treasury and deposit WU tokens in Olympus DAO's treasury. WU Finance NFT is being launched in collaboration with the Binance NFT marketplace. In Ref Finance, providing liquidity for WU and NIR to boost WU liquidity in the NIR ecosystem. Retroactive rewards for core contributors. Many donors have demonstrated a significant dedication to helping the DAO flourish over the last 5 months, even without receiving any reward. Many people have volunteered for many hours in various working groups, enthusiastically engaging and attending every DAO community call, working group call, and WU Force call. All of this, despite challenging market circumstances in 2022, is a genuine testament to WU Network's commitment to growth, which benefits community members, users, and token holders equally. DAO participants also took it upon themselves to create Discord bots to improve the voting process, construct the DAO's treasury management structure, and create WUstats.io to better highlight WU Network data, to mention a few examples. All of these has contributed to the DAO's expansion. WU Network would like to present retroactive prizes to the following essential contributors in the DAO as a modest token of appreciation for their previous contributions. Discord username in alphabetical order. WU Network partners with Perpetual Protocol to expand support for on-chain derivatives trading. As the amount of decentralized derivatives grows rapidly, the WU Network is in a position to capture the growing amount through key DEX such as Perpetual Protocols and explore further use cases and transaction integration of WU tokens. Institutional liquidity of Perpetual Protocols via WUFI. Future Curie upgrades of Perpetual Protocols will revolutionize Arbitrum's Layer 2 scaling platform, dramatically improving transaction execution speed, cost and reliability. In addition, their V2 model uses Uniswap v3 as the execution layer, paving the way for third-party market-making strategies and liquidity providers, WU Network and Kronos Research domains. Today, Kronos Research is one of the best on-chain market makers that combines decades of traditional market trading experience with industry-leading liquidity access to the WU Network. Basically, Kronos Research deploys market-making and algorithmic trading strategies to the Perpetual Protocol, while WU Network's free liquidity pool facilitates efficient hedging of Kronos Research. This unique connection allows Kronos Research to provide cost-effective and continuous liquidity through market-making strategies while increasing trading volume on the WU Network. The market share of derivatives DEXs is set to expand dramatically and represents an area we are highly keen on expanding towards, said Rand. Perpetual Protocol's unique innovations towards scaling and providing liquidity creates many new opportunities. We are optimistic on the growth trajectory of Perpetual Protocol and look forward to going live with new liquidity provisioning strategies to deepen our partnership. Further development of WU token use cases and integrations in Perpetual Protocol. Another unique innovation in Perpetual Protocol is the creation of unauthorized markets through the use of Chainlink Oracle. This means that if an asset has a price feed via Chainlink Oracle, anyone can create a lasting market for that asset, leaving more room for innovation. The WU Network strives to provide direct access to the WU token market for the DeFi community focused on Perpetual Protocol traders.